Today, I'm taking on the challenge of debunking some of the biggest tech myths you probably thought were true. Have you ever caught yourself believing something about technology that you heard from a friend or read online, only to find out later it was completely false? That's exactly what we're tackling today. From misconceptions about smartphones to myths about cybersecurity, we're diving into the tech myths that have taken over our conversations and influencing our consumer decisions. There are so many misconceptions surrounding technology that people often fall for, and it's time to set the record straight. We're going to explore some of the most common myths that have been perpetuated through hearsay and misinformation. One of the most common myths is that phones need to be shut down regularly to conserve battery life. Another myth is that private browsing is completely secure. And let's not forget the one about Wi-Fi signals being harmful to our health. These are just a few examples of the many myths that have become ingrained in our tech culture. But what's the truth behind these claims? Let's delve into specific myths one by one, and I'll provide you with evidence and expert opinions to clarify the truth behind each claim. First off, let's talk about the myth that Macs are immune to viruses. Many people believe that if they're using a Mac, they're completely safe from malware attacks, but is that really the case? In reality, while Macs are generally considered to be more secure than PCs, they're not completely immune to viruses. According to a report by Malwarebytes, Mac malware has increased by 400% in the past year alone. Next up, let's debunk the myth that 5G is causing the spread of COVID-19. This one's been circulating on social media, claiming that the 5G network is responsible for the pandemic. But experts say there's absolutely no scientific evidence to support this claim. In fact, the World Health Organization has stated that there's no link between 5G and the spread of COVID-19. We're also going to tackle the myth that closing apps on your phone saves battery life. Many of us have been guilty of closing apps thinking it'll conserve our battery, but does it really make a difference? The answer is no. Closing apps on your phone doesn't significantly impact battery life. In fact, some apps are designed to run in the background, and closing them can actually do more harm than good. One of the most shocking myths has got to be that incognito mode is completely secure. Many of us think that just by switching to incognito mode, our online activity is completely private. But here's the thing, incognito mode only deletes your browsing history and cookies, but it doesn't make you anonymous online. Your ISP, government, and even the websites you visit can still track your online activity. So what do we take away from all these debunked myths? The truth is, technology is constantly evolving, and it's crucial that we stay informed and critical of the information we consume. If you're as surprised as I am by these myths, let me know in the comments which one shocked you the most. And if you want more tech insights and myth busting, be sure to check out my other videos.